Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Proveg Engineering and Food Processing Private Limited, and I am here your friend Anshul Jain. Friends, there is a huge demand of converting the biomass to the biomass pellet all over India. However, we have been there in the northern India for many exhibitions, but for the first time we are coming to Hyderabad for our southern region. So if you are in southern region like Hyderabad, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, so you may visit us on date 16, 17, 18 August at Hitex Exhibition Center, Kondapur, Hyderabad, and the occasion is Eco Sustain Expo 2024. So friends, whatever raw material you are having like parali, like rice husk, mustard husk, sawdust, bagasse, pressed mud, napier, whatever raw material you have, if you want to convert these raw materials to the pellet, if you want to convert these raw materials to the BioCNG, you may visit us at Eco Sustain Expo 2024 at stall number 4K01, and the address is Hitex Exhibition Center, Kondapur, Hyderabad, and the dates are 16, 17, 18 August. So please save the dates. If you are having any query, you can call us and 7073-642737. You may also WhatsApp on us on the same number. And if you want to visit us, please do travel to Hyderabad at Hitex Exhibition Center on 16, 17, 18 August at Kondapur, Hyderabad, Eco Sustain Expo 2024, stall number 4K01. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for connecting with PVG. Stay connected.